If the insurance company is prohibited from talking to you during the course of your litigation, how come at the end of your case, when you settle your case, they can now communicate with you by letter? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, when you bring a lawsuit, the people you have sued are represented by their own attorneys. Their attorneys cannot talk to you directly. They have to talk to me as your attorney. Their insurance company, the people who now insure the people you have sued, cannot communicate with you directly. If they have anything to say, they have to say it through me, your legal representative. And that goes on throughout the duration of your entire lawsuit. So how come at the very end of your case, if you settle your case, and now the insurance company sends the settlement funds to us, all of a sudden they are now permitted to send you a letter? Now what's contained in this letter and why are they doing it? Well, they're doing it for two very important reasons. Number one, they're doing it so that you know that they have now released the settlement funds to your attorney. The insurance company can now communicate with you directly, and they're basically telling you, we just want to let you know that the settlement check has just been sent off to your attorney. Now, why do they do that? They do that to give you notice, to make you aware that they have now sent off the check to your attorney. Here's why they would do that. There have been some instances in the past where the insurance company would send the money to the attorney, and now the attorney would take it and deposit it. They may have actually stolen the money, and you, the injured victim, would never know about it until many, many months later when you're wondering, why haven't you gotten your settlement funds? And now you call up the attorney, and the attorney gives you all sorts of excuses. There have been other instances where the insurance company has sent the money into the attorney's office, and now the attorney deposits it and forgets about it. And now many months go by, and you wonder, where's my settlement funds? And now it's still sitting in the attorney's trust account, but you just have not gotten it. So what that letter is designed to do is to simply give you a heads up. And that letter, a copy, gets sent to your attorney, and it also gets sent to you directly to your home. And it just says, hey, listen, I want you to be aware that we've now sent the check off to your attorney. You should be getting the settlement funds very soon. So now you can pick up the phone and call your attorney and say, listen, I just got this letter from the insurance company. It says you got the check. When can I get my settlement funds? So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an idea and an insight into what goes on in the litigation process, especially as a case now gets ready to be settled. This gives you an understanding and it gives you an education, things that you may not know about or may not even know to ask about. So this way you have a great idea and an understanding of what happens during the entire legal process. You know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions or concerns, and here's what I want you to do if you do have legal questions and your matter happened here in the state of New York. I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me if you have legal questions. You know I do this every single day and I'd love to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerald Oginski. Have a wonderful day.